Okay. Blue smartphone track phone. Top and bottom black banners, double side black banners, or combination of both. See, I finally figured this thing out. Okay. Closed caption. Choose number one, and then you see the word start to scrolling up. You see the word scrolling up? It's scrolling up right now. It's scrolling up right now. Check this out. The SD card. Put it on the SD card. And this will make a great thumbnail. The bottom, you see the series of still pictures on your laptop or desktop, tabletop, bureau top, whatever you have it on top of. It is. I like to get one of those old computers. There it is. All right, see that? Yay! Yeah, now check this out. I got two. Got two. Oh, look at that, almost got it. You have to play around with it. See, that's tape coming back off. See, it looks like it's coming back off the tape. Or it's just a piece of tape, that's all it is. You get like masking tape. This, Rubik's Cube, Rubik's Cube, Rubik's Cube. It comes in different sizes, different styles. It goes in a big, what do you call it? A big bin with the other toys. You know, it's gotta be turning and turning and turning. And then turn it. Okay. Okay, the TV. TV. Yeah. Look like see, I'm getting it. For me, this is the first video. I've got to know what is it? Is it mine? If you can see my letter telling you I'll set me free, then you know just what to do. If you still want me, if you still want me, old time yellow ribbon, all free. You just still want me. It's been 3 years, y'all still want me? Okay, like this. If we keep going like this, but that's my first record I bought. This is where it skips. That's the part where it skipped. It was like a great raised label. And it's by Bell Records. You have to keep turning and turning it. Keep on. See, you get one across. I got one on the side. Two yellow ones. One green and one blue and one green. It was like this color. Like this and this. See, the middle always stays the same. The one, like these three in the middle always stays the same. Only the outer rotates. Like this. Check that out. That will make a great thumbnail. Use smartphone track them. Top and bottom black banners, double side back banners, or a combination of both. I see. Oh, hunt the yellow ribbon, rally, rally, oh, tree. I'm going home. Okay, go like this. On the yellow tree, tie ribbon on the yellow tree. You go like this, spin it around, keep spinning and spinning and spinning like that, spin it around. They look like monsters, don't they? Like these are like monsters. Okay, like this. Keep turning and turning. You never know you get. Like two purples, two greens, two of two. You see that? Two of there's three, two, two. That is. It might take a while. Alright, is check that. That'll make a great thumbnail too. Look at this. Wow, sure goes fast. That is like a time code. Mhm. See that? Isn't that great? This will make a great thumbnail. This will make a great thumbnail too. We're doing like this with the holding my key with my left hand and scratching my head. Man, just my spray nose or something there. You see that? This is I don't know what this is. We have to fill that in somehow. Fill that in. Fill all this in. Like this. Like that. Rubik's Cube. Number this Rubik's Cube. I hope it works this time. Right. Oh, man. 8 minutes. Maybe I stop at 9. 9 minutes. Like that. Like this. Yeah, Rubik's Cube. And see, only the outer spins. Yeah, there's a big Rubik's Cube. Oh, okay. Oh, she got chicken, the fat cat head. I love that cat, that fat cat head. I like it. Excuse me. Excuse me again. No, check this out. What do you think? Not bad, right? Not bad. That would make a great thumbnail too. Okay, let's see. Comments, comments, reply, notifications, story, subscribe. No, subscribe to what? Subscribe to this channel. Because, I don't know. You don't have to pay anything. Ads may be included in the future. Commercials. Sometimes like in the beginning. views, views. Okay, now it's time to press stop.